Hello everyone, this is Tom with Stock Navigators, and this is a weekly market forecast for the week of December 7, 2020. If you look at the SPY chart, the market will be able to break out a resistance line here. So right now they stay above it. So the resistance line now become a support, and the market will continue to push to the upside with a strong momentum. So we still continue with the uptrend. So I know that a lot of people will try to short the market when they hit to the top here, and people try to short it up here. But every day the market it keep pushing back up. As a trader, okay, we look at the chart. If the price is still up, we still stay with the uptrend. So if you have been following me in my YouTube channel, every day in our live trading room, I look at the chart to analyze and give out a short-term price direction for my members to make some extra daily income and analyze a long-term stock price direction for a swing trade to make a bigger profit potential. Overall seasonal trend is still bullish. Right now, people are in the hope of vaccine will be out and stop the virus. Next thing is the stimulus package will come out with agreement very soon. So that one may give the market a lift, and then they will continue to the upside. Let's see how the market will do next week, and we will continue to update during the week. So make sure that you subscribe to our YouTube channel so that I can notify you on the new update. The market will do whatever it wants to do. As a trader, we only focus on the price on the chart. The price on the chart will tell you everything. As long as the trend is still up, we still stick with the uptrend until it's not. As Stock Navigators, we will help you to learn and understand how to read the price chart by using a modern technical analysis and understand the crowd psychology so that you can buy with high probability of winning and a low risk trade. This is the only technical skill that you should learn before you start buying any stock, and you can manage your own financial future like 401k or IRA account. But we understand it's very hard for you to know everything overnight. So we will mentor you every week until you are successful, and we will guide you every day in our live trading room so that you can follow along and see how the price action in real time so that you can make some extra daily income and manage your own stock portfolio. Now let's look at the chart to see where we're at right now. As you can see here, the SPY chart is still continue to put it to the upside. So we will stick with the uptrend, and the Dow is also try to push it back up, and the momentum is still there. As long as the momentum is still there, we will continue to push it back up. The Nasdaq also break out the all-time high, and then they continue to push it back up. And as long as they still have a high low, the market is still push it back up. The Russell 2000 is very strong, as you can see here. The momentum it continues to push it back up, and then they are still trying to put it to the upside. Bond it also slammed it down. As you can see, the trend is still down, but right now they have some support. They're looking for some bounce back up. So let's see how far they can go. But overall trend is still bearish. So let's see how the market is. If they want to pull back a little bit after the big run, and this one they can push it back up, otherwise they will continue to the downside. Always stock could be able to break out the resistance here, so now become support. So they still hold up very well, so they try to put it higher. Bitcoin it still goes sideways, as you can see here. They stick into the triangle here, so they be able to break out, they will try to put it back up. If it's not, they will stick into the rainbow here until they find direction to put it higher or a little bit more correction before they can stabilize. The euro it also hit to the resistance, so now they stuck here, so they need to pull back a little bit before they can get some momentum, so they can go higher. Gold is also have a good week the last couple of weeks here, and then they put it back up. Now they hit to the resistance, so they need to pull back down a little bit so that they can build up the momentum again. Now let's take a look at the stock. Okay, every week I look at some sector and which sector is doing well and pick some stock in that sector so I can analyze so that we can all see how the chart look like by using a technical analysis. So so that you can see how it's going to. So first of all, if you look at the sector that I'm looking at right now, it's an energy sector. It's doing very well. As you can see that a lot of stock in this sector is very strong, like Chevron, ExxonMobil, OXY. Okay, those stocks are very strong, and then they are doing extremely well to the upside. And semiconductor, another sector, doing very well, like Maxim, MXIM, chip, and semiconductor. They're also doing well. Okay, KLAC. Okay, that's another one that continue to put it up. And the technology software is also leading the market. As you can see, a lot of stocks they try to build a base to break out, like Apple, APPF. Okay, it also try to gain some momentum there. SPLK. So this one is another one that they dropped down, but they found a support there. So we're looking for some rebound. PANW. That's another cyber stock. Okay, the security software. They're also doing well, like Palo Alto Network. Okay, and so this is just few stock that we show you here. In our expert live trading room, we analyze a lot more stock in the real time when the market open, so that our members can follow along and know when to get in and when to get out to take a profit. If you would like to learn more, and please check out our website at stocknavigators.com. We have some video there for you so that you can see what we trade and how we using a modern technical analysis so that we can see where the market is heading to. Okay, so that's all I have for you. So let's see how the market doing, and then we will notify you every day in our trading room so that you can see where the market is heading to. All right, so thank you very much, and good luck for you next week.